In this video, I will guide you on how to hide what games you're playing on Discord. First, open the Discord app on your laptop or PC. Make sure to log into your account. Now click on the gear icon next to your username to open your user settings. Then scroll down and find Activity Privacy. Go ahead and select that option. Here you should be able to find the option of Share My Activity. If this option is toggled on, you simply want to toggle this option off. When it's toggled off, Discord will no longer automatically show the games and supported apps you're currently using. If you don't notice the change right away, wait for a few seconds or change your online status to refresh your profile. In most cases, you won't have to restart Discord. Keep in mind that this setting only hides your current game or app activity. It does not hide your online status, voice channel activity, streaming status, or any other custom status you've set manually. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.